Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What is going on? What's good, everybody? Good morning. What's good? What's good? All right, let me get this. Get this other live stream going. Okay. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. It is 7:02 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. Let's go. What's good with it? A milli. That's what we're going to make today. A milli. What's good, everybody? Good morning. I need y'all to turn them energy meters up because we got money to make and trading to be done today. Let's go. Money to be made, plays to be had, DOD to be secured. That's what we got going on today. Oh, whoops. We're not one for one. Let's change that up. All right. What's up, Grizzly Glock? How you doing, dog? It's great. I'm doing fantastic. I ain't got nothing to complain about. Waking up, another day doing what I love, trading with Team Bull, helping people with DOD. What could a man ask for? I'm doing legs today, too. I did not watch the State of the Union. I don't watch the news. I don't watch the news on either side. What's up, Big Zoe? We're going to catch a banger today. I can feel it. Pay Dun's coming in full force. Pay Dun's coming out in full force with DOD. Got this new USA jacket on. Tell me this ain't hard. Tell me this ain't hard. We're going to do some manifesting, all right? We're going to do some manifesting. Y'all see what's coming, baby? This is what's coming, baby. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the Bears to come back to town? Yeah, you better be. Ruff, ruff. That's what's coming today. I'm manifesting that for about an hour or two from now. It's coming. That's what we're going to get. That's what we're getting today. You should be able to see my screen share, B-Rogue. Should be able to see me. Hey, guess what's still going, too? Guess what's still going in the background? My lava lamp. Or said, that's my mentor. Mentor likes to have fun. Just keep things a little spicy. Y'all see the lava lamp. Y'all know what's good. I got Gene. I got Gene one of these Kill Tech American flag hoodies, too. Need to hide the cord. There. Did absolutely nothing, but at least it's not in front now. Just ignore the cord. All right, what do we got moving for today as far as news? Let's talk about news real quick. We got nothing. No news Wednesday. 2 Fed speakers. Tomorrow we have initial jobless claims in the morning. Then Friday we got some news. We got PPI, excuse me. Construction spending and PMI. All right, so we got a few things on Friday. Got a few deals on Friday. Yeah, we got a whole big fat nothing burger for news. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You guys had homework last night. Your homework was to do something positive for yourselves. I hope you followed through. I hope for your sake you followed through. Because what did I tell you? If you didn't follow through, I wasn't going to be mad at you. I'm disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed in the moves that you're making and the actions that you're taking for future you. It saddens me. I'm not mad. I'm not going to yell at you. Just highly disappointed. Don't know. Need to trade all the way to pre-market low. I'd love that. I'll do anything for a downward move. Well, not anything, but there's a lot of things. Where's pre-market low at? Oh, yeah, down near 25,000. That may be a tough level to break. Pre-market highs. We'll just put that there for now. We got 20 or 18 minutes. We got 18 minutes until it goes down. But we'll see. 25,000 is going to be a pretty locked support. I think it's going to be pretty serious. Oh, that's right. We do have NVIDIA. We do have NVIDIA earnings.
I also sold some covered calls on our MARA shares yesterday.
Yamada?
I don't know if you all have seen that.
Don't. I love when y'all send me nice messages on Instagram. This guy said, what?
I was going to ask if he's going skiing this weekend.
Nah, probably not.
You over it for the year?
I've went 15 days so far. I wanted it 20 days, but I'm not sure that I'm going to. Someone messaged me and said, what's up, Jdun? I smoked weed every single day for 4 years straight. It was multiple times a day as well, basically abusing it. I started following you almost a year ago now, and since then my life has changed, but I really made a mission to start implementing DOD into my life coming into the new year. I finally hit 1 month of being marijuana free, and I have to give the credit to you, and you're saying discipline over dopamine. It's more than a motto, it's a lifestyle. God bless. Man, that is dope. That is absolutely incredible. That has made my whole day. Shout out Roth. Shout out Roth. Man, I love seeing y'all quit the weed, quit the drugs. I love seeing y'all take control of your discipline and face your issues head on, no bandages. So baller. Shout out Roth, man. That's so sick. Quit the dope. That's where I lose the crowd every day is when I start talking about how I don't think weed is a net positive for society. Everyone gets mad at me. But I'm just saying, you'd be better off facing your issues head on and choosing DOD and not masking your emotions. Same thing goes for your trading. If you can't deal with your emotions in your daily life, how are you going to deal with them in your trading? Riddle me that. Riddle me that. I just want to see y'all live a better life. That's all I want to do. I want you guys to implement DOD as a lifestyle. I feel like people that smoke weed for anxiety issues end up with more anxiety. That's literally facts. Over time, for sure. Do you have consequences for tilting and breaking your rules? Yeah, you lose money. And you lose enough of that money, that pain is going to turn into a lesson. You got to like the stream up. Guys, come on. We got 83 likes and 500 people in here on YouTube. Let's get those likes up, baby. Hit that thumbs up if you're ready to choose DOD. You're ready to trade smart, trade safe, and make some moolah. Come on. Paint or die. Jdun, have you had students that never reached DOD as purely gamblers that had to quit? Unfortunately, of course. I'd be lying to you if I said I had a 100% success rate of helping people trade. I mean, I do my best every day. I've helped a lot of people change their life and make money trading and become confident, but, you know, Chris, I can get down with that for some issues like cancer and, you know, I guess if your choice, if for example, if you have PTSD and your choice is some pill from Big Pharma or weed, it's weed. But if you're like, oh, I have anxiety or I'm depressed, like I get it, those are real things, but you got to deal with that head on, bro. You got to face your issues. You can't just mask it with a Band-Aid like weed. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, if your choice is like pills or something or pot, then yeah, pot. But for a lot of issues, people would be better off facing their issues head on, is all I'm saying. It's uncomfortable to hear. I get shade for it. I get heat for it, but it's facts. I swear I'm not addicted to weed. I just needed to eat, sleep, and function. Huh. Telling you, when I got sober and dialed in my discipline from everything, my life has done nothing but get better. Still had bad days, sure. Life's still a roller coaster at times, but I'm able to deal with my emotions in the good and the bad days. I'm able to deal with my emotions in my trading. Do you have winter Scully team bull hats? No, but that'd be a good idea. All right. We got 11 minutes to open, everybody. $11 minutes till open. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
All right, people, I'm watching this setup. We go back to this overnight high, 25,090, and watch for a possible long entry there.
The longs.
In my screen, 25,090 area. Well, 25,100 to 25,090. Even if we sweep that and we get a nice volume, high volume candle, that's above it. I'll look for entry off that.
All I'm on beat.
The overnight high area.
In the private. What time frame? 5 minute? Oh, I almost always trade in the 5 minute. I mean, I'll watch other time frames, but I primarily trade in the 5 minute. I primarily trade the 5 minuto. We got 10 minutes till open, everybody. 10 minutes till open. Do your mental check-in. Do your mental check-in, everybody. How are we feeling? Are you focused? Are you prepared? What's the biggest trade that I've hit? $88,800. Almost 90 racks in a day back in 2023. That's it. We're bringing back options done. We're bringing back options done. Spy puts. You know, I actually don't. That's for you. I actually don't disagree with you. I think music can be really detrimental to young people too. And if you're constantly listening to music about horrible vices and filling your brain with drugs and alcohol and killing and lots of destructive behaviors, then yeah, that can have a negative impact on society too, for sure. So I can agree with you on that. For sure. Met you at Cars and Coffee the other day. It was a pleasure. Hey, Solomon, thanks for coming to the live, bro. It was nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my bro. As a reminder, too, guys, if you're on the TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades on YouTube for my full screen share and charting. You go to your YouTube app, look up Jdun Trades, you'll find it. Yep. 6 minutes left, everybody. 6 minutes left. I need to ask Gene where he is. See when Paydon's showing up.
What's up, Tom? Yeah, I'm watching a couple setups, Tom, but right now the main one I'm watching would be bounces overnight high. Let's see. The trend is up though, so if we catch a trend move up, a trend entry up, I would be down for that as well. Market trend.
Let's see.
Asia was horrible last night.
It was slow. I was on for a little bit trading it. It was slow. We saw a really nice 2-bar on Asia last night. A really, really nice 2-bar played out.
Man, I've got a strategy built, but it only takes like 5 trades a month in Asia.
What time was that last night? This was a nice pullback retracement too. It's not what I was looking at, but here was the 2-bar from Asia last night. If you're on the screen share, we had candle 1, candle 2 higher volume, retested back down, went from like 25,050 all the way up to 25,115. Super nice 2-bar. It's tough to tell what we want to do. I don't like that we're so close with pre-market high to 25,200. Ooh. I'd honestly rather see weakness down to pre-market low, but beggars can't be choosers. It's because let me check. What do you think about making your own indicators and back testing versus doing VPA? I think that you should back test any chance you get with any strategy you get, even anything I teach you. The only prop firms I promote consistently are Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, and Vanquish for options and stocks. Why don't you promote them? I mean, I appreciate when you guys support me with using that code, but I don't sit here and just talk about props all day. I'd rather make you guys money and then promote. I want to earn you guys' back scratch. And ultimately, I'd rather you guys be trading on a live account. Coming, Gene. Coming. Housekeeping. This jacket. Got you another jacket over there. Got you a gift. It's on the table out there. Thank you, Gene. Gene got me a coffee with 1 second to spare, baby. Game on.
Let's do this, people. It's money. That section looks better today than it has all week. Hopefully we get some clean trades.
Hopefully, look at that rip off the open. We'll see.
Oh, moving right off my screen, the chart. Good morning, everyone. Those just joining.
If you guys want to trade futures with me today, the deal of the day is with Alpha Futures, 20% off. 20% off all accounts. I personally recommend the advanced accounts. People seem to like the zero accounts too. No, I prefer Alpha Futures over Lucid.
That'd be pretty cool if we got the government match 401ks, I guess. That's really gonna happen.
So, Mr. Gene, how was your morning, bro?
I think we would max it out if that was the case.
What? Roadblock. Oh, you had deers in front of you.
Stop by the cartel.
Stop by the cartel, by the deer cartel.
I'm not sure why we're still pumping up here.
Gene had a roadblock in front of him this morning. Gene had a bunch of deers in my neighborhood in front of him. I live out in the mountains. You guys got to remember that. I live out in the hills, so there's always deers. Well, we're waiting for the first 15 minutes. All right, I promise I got one more fun thing to show you, then we'll focus in. Bro, when I tell y'all that I live out in the mountains, like, I'm not kidding. I'll prove it to you with this video. Look at this shit. This is my front yard. That is a whole ass bear, bruh. That is a whole ass bear. That is a whole bear. That is a whole bear, bruh. That is a whole bear, my friends. We really out here doing that.
Are you all watching the chat? What's your favorite setups? Everyone? Got that speaker going right now? Barking? It's barking?
What does me showing you a bear have anything to do with being rich? Or living in the mountains? You realize there's very poor mountain towns, right? Sorry, guys. I'm showing you a bear in my front lawn. That's actually my pet bear. I need to flex on you that I'm rich and have a pet bear that's eating my trash. Sorry. What? No, you twin with me.
Twin with you?
Yeah. No, twin with me, please.
I would like to catch a nice great. I'd be okay
That
with
shit's
going
hard, huh?
together.
It's really good quality.
The quality's great.
Yeah, G.
Yep. We're twinning.
Deal.
A deal. Hold on. Come twin with me. Hold on. Zip your jacket up. Look at us twinning. Hold on, come over here a little more. Look at that.
I can't fix stuff.
Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute?
It's cool.
Tough. Your team bullshit under too? Yeah. Oh, we're double twinning. Come here. We're double twinning. We're double twinning. We both got team bull shirts on. And the American flag. Hell yeah.
And we're the same height.
And we're the same height. Oh, that's hilarious. Do you have black socks on?
Yeah.
Yes, we both have black socks on too. We got Team Bull shirts on. We got American flag on. That's got to mean something.
This was planned.
That's got to mean something.
Why are you texting so early?
All right, guys. You know what? It's pay done time. I'm going through metamorphosis and turning into Jdun. Same thong too, yeah. I'm a big boy though. If I had a thong, it'd be like XL, triple XL. Like call me Big Bertha.
You wearing torta?
What?
You wearing torta anywhere?
I'm a torta. I got a torta tongue. Look at those bros. Look at that lava lamp too. So fire. What? What's wrong with my lava lamp? I love my lava lamp. All right, guys. We are 8 minutes in. Just a reminder, I don't take trades for the first 15 minutes at least. Yeah, I actually still have my tag on. I got leg day at the gym today. Oh boy. Are you doing another free webinar at the end of the month? Last one was awesome. Probably sometime in March. I'll do another one. Brandon, you want to match us? Brandon wants to match the twinnies. Brandon wants to match the twins. Brandon wants to hang out. Am I on a trade yet? No. Oh, I'm trying to build these chicken legs up into tree trunks. Actually, my legs aren't actually that bad. There's long. I'm just a long boy. That's the only thing I got going. Long boy. Hey, if it's your first time at the stream, welcome, bro. Hope you found your forever live stream home. We choose DOD, we trade discipline, we trade smart, we trade safe. My trading strategy itself is very boring, but in turn, it makes you money. If you know how to follow it and keep discipline and not self-sabotage. My ultimate goal is to help you keep your psychology in check, keep your discipline in check, give you simple, effective ways to find A+ setups and catch trends. And we stick with that every day. The thing is, here's the thing, guys. I say this multiple times in streams. That like yesterday, for example, we didn't catch our trade until... Hold on. It was... We didn't catch our first trade until... 1, 2, 3... What time was that? Until 10:55 Eastern time. 10:55 Eastern time. So then people come in and say, Jdun, you didn't take a trade yesterday. Well, you left somewhere in here. Like you left somewhere in the first 2 hours, which I get it. Y'all got things to do, but I don't trade the first 20 minutes. I don't trade the first hour sometimes. I just be chilling, and if I wait for an A+ setup, and if I get it, I'll take it. If not, I don't trade. There's 2 lines to tell you guys every day. Is that I'm a day trader, not a trade everyday trader. And this isn't Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. I keep things real simple. I have to thank you for getting me disciplined. DOD is amazing. Let's go, Thomas. Shout out Thomas, baby. Let's go. We got to get the poll going, too. Which way do y'all think we end the day? Way we ending up today? Bullish. Up. Bearish. Down. think the Bulls are bringing it today. I could see that. We're above 25,000. Which way y'all think we go today? Right now, I'm leaning up, considering that's our trend. Thank you, Gene.
Oh man, we pumped after last night.
Pumped. You killed it in Asia, Gene.
I didn't realize we couldn't go that far.
If you guys have been slacking on Gene's streams on Asia, now is the time to stop slacking. Man's been killing it on Asia session. If you guys want to trade in the afternoons and evenings, you can join him every day inside Team Bull. You can also join him on this YouTube channel at Jdun Trade. So if you guys want to trade in the afternoon or evening, Gene's on this channel every day now at 6 p.m. Eastern time for the most part. So you guys can hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. You can also, if you press that bell icon and press all, it will turn your notifications on so you get notified when he goes live. Or when I go live for Power Hour. So there's multiple live streams you can attend today. He'll go live on this channel, JD. All right, we got 1,600 people in here. How many likes we got? Man, how we got 260 likes with 1,600 people when we come in here and make money almost every day? Let's get those likes up, baby. If you're Team DOD, hit that like button. Smash that like button, that thumbs up. Same with TikTok. Tap that screen over and over. Get those fingers moving. Get those money-making fingers warmed up. Come on. Let's get it. Yeah, everything here is pointing to up, so we'll see. Genius calls bangers during Asia. I'm just a talk. You don't talk as much as I do. I just be talking. I just be yapping. He's not getting on voice anymore, John. It's just going to be myself and then Grizzly on voice. So there's one system on voice, less trades. It's most of the feedback we got, and that is my duty to the members, is to keep the live stream simple. Less signals, more of one system, more focused. Yes, sir. All right, our 15-minute range is in, guys. I put the green lines represent 15-minute high and 15-minute low. The blue lines represent pre-market low and pre-market high. So now we wait. We wait and we see what the market wants to give us. What does DOD stand for? Discipline over cheap, garbage, destructive, self-sabotaging, useless, horrible dopamine. That's what it stands for. All right, guys, let's focus. This live stream's about DOD and one system, baby, and that's it. That's the end of the story. So let's get it. Yeah, there's not going to be any more live streams, guys. People join Team Bold, learn one system, and that's what it is. So you got the best of the best here. That's what it is, baby. Now let's focus on catching a winner. Let's focus on finding a winner, potentially a 2-bar here. Yep, you damn right, Andrew. Jdun or nothing if you're trying to hit bangers. That's right. This might give us a 2-bar, guys. We'll see. We're above the 15-minute high. We very well could. Guys, the live stream for now and forever is just going to be primarily myself and then Grizzly when he has trades. That is it. There is no more explanation. You guys got the best one system in the world. Please focus on trading. You guys join to learn DOD and to catch bangers. That's what we do in this live stream, baby. This isn't a signals group. This isn't a throwing out 10 trades a live group. You guys just don't listen. I'm done explaining. All right, let's watch for this 2-bar setup. Yeah, Gene comes on Asia.
All right, Team Bull. I'm sure you already know what I'm watching, but looking for a pullback to the kind of. I can't decide if I want to take it around like 297 or wait to 280. What are we thinking?
I'm watching for a pullback for sure. I'll watch for
280 or you like the 290s?
I'll probably try around like 290. 290.
Maybe leave a little room to add.
Yeah, we'll stop for like 270, 269.
I like that.
Yep. We're just nothing. No pullback whatsoever. Okay, what is worth when I die? All right. I'm watching for this pullback down here.
If we ever get a pullback,
If we do.
straight up.
Actually, it'd be more like right here, probably. Oh, come on. Give us a pullback. I don't like that we took out those highs, but We'll see. We'll see how it ends up playing out. It's 1992. All right, let's see here. I'm going to watch for this long entry at 290 with stops below 270, everybody. Maybe below like 269. That's my main watch right now, is this long entry down here with stops below 270. Stay patient, trade smart, trade safe, and let's find ourselves a winner. Yo, TikTok, as a reminder, you get my full screen share on YouTube. Come tap in. We're almost at 2,000 people. Shout out each and every one of you guys who's in DOD, tapping in. I want to see all y'all win, all y'all stay disciplined, and all y'all trade smart and trade safe. Let's do it together, baby. Oh, and if we catch a banger to the downside, you know what mask is coming on. I don't think we're going to get our banger to the downside for the mask. I don't have the bull mask here. So we're SOL, folks. Let's go, Tyler. Pass the eval. Oh, NVIDIA has earnings today too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Tesla as well. Tesla's having an interesting candle. We're down to that 50% retracement of the first candle. Whoops. You know what I like? I don't like this on Tesla, but if we would have had this 50% retracement here through a key level like pre-market high, that's a setup that I love. I'll still watch for that pullback down to 290, everybody. I'm still going to watch for that pullback. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I do grab something. Are you on a trade? If we hit my 290, you can press buy. Let me set this. All right. Why is it? There we go. All right. Come say hello.
¿Qué pasó, compas? How's everybody doing? No, but yes, sir. I'm here. Zona favorita. Need some type of pullback. Yeah, I guess so. I think this is like the more casual side. And then if you want to be loud, this other side. I can't wait till the 4th of July so I can bust it out. Come on, give us 290. Let me get my laptop.
Oh, no way. Do we touch my buy? 300? No, we almost got there. Damn it. We almost got to my buy. We literally got so close. I wouldn't have taken it at 303. I would have waited till we got inside the zone. So I didn't really miss it, but damn.
Just too quick for me, Kimball.
Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it either. It wouldn't. Looking back, it got close. It would have been maybe at 300, but not early. And it looks like it happened quick. Looks like it happened quick.
97. Well, just on 303. I was going to take my first entry at 97.
All right, let's get it. I'll still watch for it. It's a little less high probability now. Could be a 2-bar here too. I mean, it's strong wick up. 320. Maybe the stops below like 300. Here we go with this slow grind up. That's foul that didn't give us that full pullback. I would have taken this a couple bars ago and trying to do this your way. Hey, if you see a trade that you like that fits your system, I say take it. I'm just really patient with my trades. Like I don't say, all right, well, this is close enough. I'm just going to enter here every time. Because this time it would have worked, right? This time I would have said, oh, I'm going to enter early here. Sure, whatever. But then when it goes like from here and stops you out immediately here, you lose those extra points and that breaks the system. So I'm very patient about my trades. And for some people that bothers them. For some people it's very boring. I'd rather be patient with my trades, stay patient, than force trades. I be telling y'all he don't trade, yet you're still here showing up every day. Why is that? You like to watch me not trade? You just just enjoy being here. I always say it, the loudest people that come in and hate love hanging out here. It's crazy. I mean, that means I'm doing something right. You know? Then I tell them to go watch the recordings from the previous lives, and they're like, oh, I don't have time for that. Well, okay, then whatever. I take a trade almost every day. It's not Pokemon. I don't got to catch them all. Could you explain why 290? We want to know the system. So I liked originally the Fibonacci retracement from the low of this candle to the high, and the midpoint of this is 290. Plus, you look at that 290, you have 20 points of risk. So if you enter here and you go below that 270, you know your trade's invalid. You take a 20-point stop. That's how I look at it. I'm always looking at my risk first. Guys. I want to see first, where's the trade valid, and second, where's my risk valid? If I don't know those two things, I'm not going to take a trade. Am I taking Tesla? No, I was just marking it out. No reversal setups for me yet, guys. Just waiting. At least someone sees it. Hey, weren't you in here screaming at me shorts yesterday? Then I caught a banger on the longs. Huh. Could have sworn that was you. I had a weird memory of things like that. I always remember people that come in and talk T. And then I got to win and show them what's good. Do you use the orb and 2-bar on other stocks? Yes, it's valid on individual names, and it's not valid on anything. Crypto, I haven't tested it on. But it's a price action strategy, guys. Yep, gold works too. Jdun, I've been trading futures for a year, and I'm finally consistent using your VPA 2-bar strategy. Let's go. That's dope. That's awesome. VPA and DOD, baby. If you can build the patience to wait.
I didn't realize Tesla was selling back up. I hadn't looked at it in a minute.
Yep. I'm always watching Tesla. I got this.
Nvidia still got the dad strength. It's going.
DOD.
It's strong. It's just up all day. As long as Nvidia's pumping.
DOD helping me payouts and dropping 10 pounds since I started. That's awesome. All right. Let's see here, folks. TikTok, we're so close to 2,000 people. I'd love to see 100 of y'all come over to the YouTube Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. You get full screen share. Come tap in. Guys, as the live stream grows, there's going to be haters and trolls. You could poke them a little, but for the most part, focus on your own trading. Focus on the system. All right. We're at a potential bounce area. I'm just a little hesitant with that previous 5-minute candle. I'm a little hesitant with us right above this 15-minute high. We didn't get a whole lot more movement up. I'm personally going to wait for now. Yeah, I think I'll probably wait till around 300. 300 to 290 looks solid. This would technically be valid with a 5-minute retracement in here. Technically valid, just a little more higher risk than I'd like to see right now. We'll see how this candle closes. Its potential, if it closes strong, I try the longs. It's still technically valid with stops below this 300, but I don't love that we hardly moved up and then made our retracement. No risk, no reward. I mean, that's true, but you know, a lot of people on social media are so used to having to take trade after trade that when you stay patient, you only take one trade a day, they lose their marbles. We'll see how this next candle closes. Just gonna wait, guys. Staying patient. Staying patient, everybody. Appreciate all of y'all. Rock, that's not a great close here. We close below that. Oh, yeah. It's not a long I can take. Hey, we crossed 2,000 people. Let's go. I appreciate y'all being here and choosing DOD with the #1 futures live stream. We stay patient. We stay focused. We're not like these other streams. We don't take a million trades, but we do stay calculated in what we do every day. I'm still going to watch this 290 area. We'll see. Let's see here. 60. Oh, no. Oops. That's kind of fun. Look at that. When we hit a banger, I'm going to start doing this, right? I'm going to go boom, like that. When we hit a banger, I'm going to go boom, like that. Boom, boom, boom. Didn't get to 300 again. Right above it. Oh, if we hit a banger, we're going to make it rain on them. Trust. Oh, if we hit a banger, we're going bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We got to hit a winner first. Got to find a winner first. Yeah, it's crazy. When we first started these live trading streams, we were only at less than 100 people. A lot of y'all have been showing up since we had 100 to 200 people. And for now that we're at 2,000, I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here. When we get to 4,000, I'll be telling y'all that we're at 2,000. I appreciate y'all showing up. I needed a bit lower too, man. Unfortunately, I fear that it's going to hold us above this 300. Day one, bro. I remember when you were trading Disney equity. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Team Bull is still a thing. I still trade in there every day. There's just less traders. 50K likes equals 1 Team Bull membership. All right. We'll do something on the TikTok and YouTube. If YouTube gets to 1,000 likes, I'll give away a free year inside Team Bull, inside the private paid community. And if TikTok gets to 100,000 likes, I'll give one away there too. You'll get to 1,000 likes on the YouTube. I'll give away a year inside our Team Bull private paid community. And 100,000 likes on TikTok, same deal. You guys are a long ways away on TikTok. But 600 people wouldn't take that much. It's actually not that many likes per person. It's like 166 likes per person. This is getting kind of tough to long. We'll see. I've been following you for 3 years. The most disciplined trader I've seen. Learned so much from you. Let's go. God bless. I want us to crack 300. We also have an anomaly going on here. Look at this. We have higher volume, but less candle. You guys see this right here? Prime anomaly. Higher volume, about half the candlestick. That tells me someone's lying here. If this NASDAQ don't crack 300, I'm going to. So I hope that the NASDAQ does. I don't even know what that means. All right. Watch it for 290. Come on, a little lower. I'm going to flush and retrace. If we retrace back up, I'll try it. Testing a piece of the longs. Stops below 270. 290. Stops below 270, everybody. If I get stopped out immediately, it'll be one of those trades. Putting my stops at 270. Or 269, actually. I did try at 290, everybody. Had to try it. So I'll need at least 20 points minimum, like 310 plus to even think about trimming. So got to push to 300, but not nearly enough. Need 310 plus. 310 plus. We got almost a 310. Come on. Oh, come on. Push it, baby. But you know, pump it up. You get to pump it up. But you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, no, not down. I'm going to move my stops up to 285, everybody. 285. So I will take a loss on this. It'll be very small if I do. If we go below 285. Below that 5-minute candle. Actually, 284 to be exact. So it will be a technically losing trade if we flush below that candle. It'll be small, but it will be a losing trade. I need to see 310 plus if I'm going to trim. I know we're up right now. I won't trim before 310. I won't even think about it. You manage how you see fit. I'm waiting for 310. Either getting stopped out below that previous candle low for a loss, or I'm going to get a nice trim off above 310. No in between. My hard stops are at 284. Come on. Push us up. We got to move up almost 20 points, but didn't quite get there. So if we go below 284, I'll get stopped for a loss. I'll be 0 for 1 in the day. I will not sell early. I will follow my plan, or I'll get stopped on the first trade. It's not a great 5-minute candle. It's not a wonderful 5-minute candle. We'll see. Keeping my plan intact. Stops at 284. Target minimum 310 plus. So we got almost 20 points. Didn't quite get there, so I did not take anything off. I'll take half off at 310, or if we get a push above 310. I will take nothing off if we don't get there. I will take a loss before I take an early trim. It's only up about 10 points right now, depending on your fill. Out of this trade, guys. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. Wow, watch it just wick me and rip. I'm not in this trade anymore, guys. I'll watch for re-entry if we get a strong candle, but I am not in this trade. I'm not in this trade. If we wick by, what, 20, 25 cents? What would that be? 84.50 to 83 a dollar. That'll suck, but I'm following my plan. I'm following my plan. We broke that low, so I'm going to wait till the next trade. Only 7.21, 7-point loss, so whatever, we'll take it. We'll take it. Watch us move up now. If that stops me out by $1, I'm going to be so sad. It goes to 310. Bruh. Ain't no way. Ain't no way it's going to do that. I know you're not going to do that, NASDAQ. By $1. By $1. I mean, it was only 7 points or 6 points, depending on your entry.
You got out of the trade?
Yeah. I put it below that previous. I put it my stop below that previous 5-minute low at 284, and it got it by 1 point. If we see a strong 5-minute candle here, I'll look at re-entry, but I'm not going to re-enter right now. We got my first trim spot too, above 310.
Oh, I haven't trimmed yet. I'm going for 320.
I didn't even know you got in. I think you were muted.
No, I didn't want to speak over you. I knew we was making the same trade.
Oh.
Literally, I got filled at 91. Got filled at 90.
I get filled at 91 too. That's why I was saying 7 point loss. Yeah. I called it at 290, but I got filled at 91. It's going to go now. Watch. She's going to move. Oh my gosh. This is what I wanted to see. Was a move above 310. And it stopped me. Bias was right. Just happened to get right below that wick. Should have just kept my stops at 280 is what it is. Oh, that's annoying. Kept it small, but the opportunity cost is annoying. Oh boy. It's actually a decent candle right there. The opportunity cost. Yeah, man. Literally 1 point. 1 point. 1. Not 2. 1 point. I mean, I've had green trades for the last, what, like 5-6 trades? This happens sometimes. Move your stops and it just wicks you sometimes. It is what it is. It's not so much the loss I care about. It's like 7 points. It's nothing. It's peanuts. But what frustrates me is my economic vocabulary, the opportunity cost. At the same time, if we would have wicked down and then moved from instead of here down to here, we said, wow, thank God I moved my stops up. That's how I look at it. So it's you give and you take. You're happy the times you do it, and where'd that go? You're happy the times you do it and it saves you, but it sucks the times you do it and it wicks you by a point. You didn't move your stop loss and you would still be in. If you didn't move your stop loss, your stop would still be at 270. So you'd still be in. If you didn't move your stop, you'd still be in. Original stop was 270. So that don't even make sense. That don't even make sense. Wow. Well, I was gonna say, if you kept your original stop, you'd be good. With 7 points is hurting you, though. I don't know what to tell you. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is emotional pain. Well, Grizzly, I'm happy that you held your trade and made some money. For anyone who kept the original stop, I'm happy for you. 284 to 283 wick is crazy. $1 is crazy. Oh my gosh. 40 points from 90. Woosah. Don't chase. Choose DOD. Oh, 50 points. Oh, that sucks. Wow, 1 point. I'd rather like if I wouldn't even be tripping if it like, you know, like wicked down and then ripped up, but like wow, 1 point is crazy. That's foul. All right, we'll wait till the next good trade. I'm not worried about it. It'll come again. Setup will come again. Not worried about it. It's frustrating, but it is what it is. It is what it is. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. My bias was right again. I mean, the bias never fails. That's where my bias is right like 95% of the time. My daily bias. One point is crazy. We're going to go high a day with this watch. You got 2-bar. Could look for another 2-bar. Kept the first loss really small, so we technically have room. I just don't want to try longs and get swept down. That's my problem. That first one sucked. $323. This is a 2-bar setup, guys. We're trending up. We went into the 50% retracement around 320. You just have to keep stops below like 300. Where is this? There we go. All right. Frustrating AF. Frustrating, but we're going to choose DOD. I'm going to wait. Well, what, Grizzly?
Just let this trade
Oh.
play out. Hope I get high day.
Yeah, I got frustrated, man. Hit me by 1 point. 1 point.
Awesome. Pretty good. Oasis with a payout from trade about 3,000. That's awesome. Congrats, man.
This 2-bar might be it. I didn't take it on the initial pop down at 320, but this might be it. High is 63. If you took longs here, you'd need to get high a day to make it worthwhile with ROI. You need to get high a day. And that's so annoying, bro. Again, it's easy to be like, oh, why'd you move your stop? You shouldn't move your stop. Well, then if we would have went and touched the original stop, like, oh, well, you should have moved your stop up. You know, it's like you give and you take. It sucks when it wicks you. It's great when it saves you money. So I'm just going to wait now. Still got about an hour of trading. If it ended at this point, I'd be red. Nothing for me yet, guys. No new trades. Just waiting. No new trades for me yet. If I took that 2-bar, I would have been stopped out too. Just waiting, everybody. Oh, don't tell me we're going to get a nice reversal setup. Don't give me that, baby. I'll hammer it. It is technically valid for a reversal. Maybe test up to, what's the high here? 340? 310? 320? We're holding 300, but if we move up to like 310 to 320, we had slightly higher volume here. I'd be okay with trying a reversal setup in here, but your stops would have to be above this 340. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that for a test. Tested 300, so we might not get that initial pullback up. I'd be okay with it, though. I'd be okay with trying it there. We'll see how this next candle plays out. If I end up trying it, I'll let you guys know. This is potential lower high. Failure to go higher than push lower. There's also a world where we just hold this 15-minute high right here and then we'll work our way back up. But if you were to try it, say 320 and it tops above 342, that's 22 points of risk to potentially catch a large reversal. My only problem is we're holding 300 right here. So we'll see once we get up there. Come on, push up a little more. No, don't sell off yet. Come on, push up to like 320. Finished. No, come on. Pullback already. I'm not longing this. We could hold 300, but after this previous 5-minute candle, I'm not longing this.
Guess you're looking for 382.
Yep. Got more paper thick.
McCoy, I put in chat I was out of the trade. The chat, I'm completely out of the longs from earlier. Had my stop in profit.
Well, I'm glad your stop was put in profits. Mine got wicked out by 1 point.
I can see it. The candle's just like.
I'm glad you made money though. For real though.
I didn't make much, if that helps you. I was like, wait a $100 bill.
All right. We're breaking out the Team Bull shirt. It's Team Bull time. It's Team Bull time, baby. The only time I'm okay fighting a trend or catching a reversal is when we have solid price and volume confirmation, which we barely do, but do here. So I'd look for like 320. I'd like to see a wick up into here, fail, shorts with stops above 342. If we tried the shorts here and then we pushed above 342, that trade would no longer be valid. We likely go test high a day. It's a weird candle close. That's a tough. It's tough. It's right at 300 with a potential doji. And we're holding above that 15-minute high. So as your reminder, we're over an hour in to choose DOD. I brushed off that first loss, whopping 7 points, and we move forward. We move forward. We carry on. We carry on. Oh. Woo. Brush it off, move forward. Is what it is. I don't know how much I don't love that we're just consolidating here. Building this base, holding this 300 area. I'm still open to this 320 area. We'll see how price action looks when we get there. Come on, there's 308. My concern here from a systematic standpoint is that we're holding this 15-minute high with 3 wicks above and a doji candle after this sell here. Basically show that our sellers couldn't maintain control. Let's see. Come on, a little higher to 315. Come on. Like, look at that, bro. Come on. I'll watch us go bounce 300 and move up. Come on, choose DOD. Come on, market. Give us a VPA. Solid entry. That's going to be foul if they don't give me my 320. That's going to be so foul, bro. Not trash PA. Just got waked out. This is fine PA, in my opinion. Just because I didn't get a trade don't mean I don't think it's trash. I just set my stop a little too early. I was watching for 310 to 320, but I wanted to see 320 after watching for entry. That's why I didn't enter. A lot of people get frustrated that my trading is very defensive, and it's like, well, if you've been consistently blowing accounts and not making money, why wouldn't you want to switch to defensive? Why wouldn't you want to save your money? Eventually, you stick around long enough, you realize I'm trying to help you. What up, Grizzly? Go ahead.
I'm just telling everyone I'm not taking the shorts. We pushed up, sold off. We missed my entry back to the point.
Me too. I was looking for 320.
I wanted 318 for my entry. Didn't get it. I'm not taking it now. I feel like it's just push up.
My worry is that we tried to push up, we'll fail, and then if we do push up, we're just going to explode through here. I'll still watch 320, but I'm not as confident in it. I don't like that we tried. Same deal. We tried to push up, failed. See how we react up here at 320. I'm still interested in it, but a little less probability.
I'm looking at Irish. I'm looking at the footprint charts. See if we can see what Delta's telling us. Because price action can lie. It's hard to true. It's hard to lie with Delta.
What's Delta saying?
Delta's saying the previous green candle had 168 Delta. The big red candle that sold back off 1030, it had negative 953 Delta. And
Really? 4 points shy. Stop being so shy. Stop being so shy, baby. Just give us a liquidity sweep and die.
this is just something trading you had.
You've been asking about Team Ball all morning, bro. Brandon trades in Team Ball. You don't even follow me. You don't get it. Your questions answered. Never mind. Emotional damage from earlier for sure, bro. That was tough. That was tough, but it is what it is. Happens sometimes. Yeah, Brandon's good. He's still part of Team Bull. But the mainstream is just me and Grizzly sometimes, but primarily me. One system, DOD. Humble Honda day, shit. It might be if I keep getting wicked out like that. Might only be trading the Humble Honda. Emotional damage. Got wicked out by 1 point and watched it rip. It was emotional damage for sure. Ugh. Come on, don't do it. If we get 320, I'll still watch for shorts. I will likely put less risk on. I will let you guys know all the details once we get there. If we get there. I don't love that we've already touched twice and failed. You'd rather see that first touch and then reject that shows those sellers were aggressive? Mr. Gene? I don't know where Gene went. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Don't sell off already. Don't. I'm finding that selling off just wanted to give a nice entry beforehand. It's not going to do it, huh? Our volume's kind of weak, too. Both those candles. I'd rather have seen higher volume and wick down. Waked me by 1 point earlier, Gene.
I know.
How foul was that? Bias was good, but set my stop. They said do not redeem the trade, Jdun. Yep, it did. You told me about that. How it wicked you then went to profit target? Me too, bro. That's so frustrating. I don't like that we're holding 300 as well. This will be the moment of truth when we come test up here, if we do. So either breaking out strong and testing those highs, or we're going to reject and make our way down. No revenge trades. That's right. That's why I wait. You know, you're a little frustrated after losing. Like, that sucked getting wicked out, but now it's fine. Is what it is. As a reminder, guys, the deal of the day is Alpha Futures. They're 20% off. I like their advanced accounts. I like the 50K advanced accounts. Which one did you just get your payouts on, Gene, from Alpha? Oh, no, you got 0 accounts?
Yeah, I like them.
Aren't they one-day pass?
Yep, and they're the cheapest accounts.
And the cheapest?
No activation.
No activation fee? All right.
I like them. Some people may not mess with the consistency, but I think if you have a good system, you shouldn't worry about consistency.
All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see if this gives us a strong trend-setting candle. Come on. If this gives us a strong trend-setting candle, I'll look for a retracement back up for shorts and then continuation down. We'll see. Man, that's foul. They didn't give me that. That's foul. One more minute on this candle. If we do close like this, here's what I'll watch for. I'll watch for a pop back up into, say, 290 with stops above 305, or depending on my entry, could go up to like 315. So like 20, 25 points of risk. If we close above this, then that's going to be interesting. Meant to be. Dreaming that you're missing me. I'm waiting here at home. I'll be crazy now you're gone. All right, we can watch for this. It's a little higher risk, folks. We can watch for this pullback back up into this like 290 to 300, I guess, with stops below 315. I don't like that we close right above that 15-minute high, but I'm still open to it. You were strong, and I miss you here, now you're gone. Now it's going to be invalidated as we move down and then potentially move back up. Wow. Now you're gone. We'll see 290 to potentially 300 area with stops above 315. Is what I'll watch. I hate that we're sweeping this 15-minute high, though. That's tough. What? Yep. With the pictures hanging on the wall. Crazy, well, you're gone. Strong. Guys, there's going to be trolls that come into chat. Just remember, they are grown men living paycheck to paycheck, hating on another grown man on the internet. So I know they want to rile you up, but just remember that they have to walk away from this live stream and go live their daily life, which is clearly very, very miserable. It's actually quite sad. So sure, you can poke fun, but don't let them consume your energy. They got to deal with their own life. Their wife has to deal with that. Their husband has to deal with that. That's enough punishment. So focus on your trading. Let them be miserable. You know? So how am I supposed to short this?
What's up, Team Wolf? I'm watching for another couple setup here. I want to see how this candle closes.
What are you watching for?
to see how we close this candle. I want to see the volume and depth on it.
What are you watching for?
Looking for a possible long now.
Don't know. Yeah, that's a tough candle to short. That's a very tough candle to short sweep in that 15-minute high. With potentially, likely higher volume too.
Oh yeah. See what volume we get on this candle here.
I'm not shorting this, guys.
92. Up to it's looking good for decent for a long entry.
Yeah, maybe like a close up here. Retest of like 280. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Minimal risk. Only like 15.
265.
I can get down with that. I still got room for 2 more trades. All right. I'm not shorting that candle. No way. So I'll look for a retest down to like 280 area, potentially to 290 with stops below 260. Oh, why'd I do that? There we go. Come on, pull back now. 290 to 280. It's just not doing that today. Looking for the longs now, everybody. It's just a screw your pullback today. So screw your pullback today. That first trade got me by 1 point. What the hell? Look at that. What the hell was that? Literally happened in 2 seconds. That literally happened in not even 2 seconds, in 1 second. Still watching for longs, everybody.
Is the Fed speaker still going? Weird movement.
Got 290 touch. I like that 280 area still a lot. So you only have 15, call it 20 points of risk. All right, I took one trade that got stopped out by 1 point for 7-point loss. So this is odd price action. Here's my plan is I'll try if we get closer to 280 for longs. If I get stopped out below that, I'll potentially watch for one more setup. If I lose that, I'd be done. My plan right now is to full focus on that 280-ish area entry. Come on, DOD, 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 DOD. Right. It's kind of a sketchy 5-minute candle. The volume's not as sketchy, but come on, a little lower. Touched almost down there. Still have not entered. I don't want to just get ripped straight to the downside. Starting a piece of longs, guys. I tried it. 88. Tried it. Stops below 65. If I lose this trade, I'll have room for one more. If I find a setup that I like. If not, I'll send the day red. If you guys want a little safer entry, for say you can wait till 80, but I did try it.
All right, everyone, I'm trying this trade. I have
Yep.
time with MNQ loans. Stop loss is, you may just rip down and grab it real quick. Stop loss is at 265.
That's what I'm worried about too, bro. I don't like this 5-minute chart, but I'd be bummed if I didn't try it.
Yeah, this is
We'll see.
legit retest.
Yeah. I got hard stops at 65. Or at, yeah, 65. 64.
I'm not for sure how I got filled at $9. That's what I got filled at. For some reason, it was at 286 when I tried to get in. Just rip straight up at high day. No hesitation. I will trim at 20 points, so if you get it,
Me too.
20 points. So 310.
Yep.
Trim spot.
Yep.
310 is for one trim.
Me too.
Do it, man.
Give me my 310 this time. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Do it for Nas Daddy. Work that move up for Nas Daddy. Come on. This is what I want to see happen to those bears. I want to see the bears come in and get strangled. That's what I want for these bears right now. It's not looking good, though. I think I pissed the bears off. We'll see. Getting close to 20 points. Need 310 plus. Me and that 310 are going to battle again. I'm not moving my stop up this time. I'm keeping it. I'll get stopped for a loss at 264. I'm getting my Move above 310. You can tell we're trying to bounce. Had the right idea. If we don't get followed through, then is what it is. I'll be 0 for 2. 64 is my stop loss. I gotta piss like a racehorse. I'm gonna set a limit order at 311. Okay. Gene, when it comes to I gotta piss like a racehorse. My stops are set, so don't worry about it. I gotta piss like a racehorse. My stops are set.
What's this going on? Everybody. What is going on, compas?
You're happy or sad, Gene?
97.
Oh no, I'm gonna be sad. Don't do it. Where's the follow through, NASDAQ? NASDAQita. She's still green, but I'm not moving my stops up this time. I'm either getting stopped out, full plan stop like a man, or I'm getting my price target. I want the bigger move. 310 plus. You're in the longs too?
Yeah, but I'm done with that one.
Oh, you're done with your funded's nice.
You don't know if that's nice.
I don't like that volume there at all. That's not good. Look at that volume in that last candle. That's not what we want to see, folks. That's not what I want to see, guys. You see that volume in that last candle? I'm keeping my stops at the same spot. I'm going for the bigger move today. The trend has clearly been up. So I either get stopped below 264 or we get a nice move to the upside. No in between. I don't love that 5-minute candle, but buyers, can you guys grow some huevos? Can you please grow some huevos rancheros, por favor?
Call on the spirit of El Mincho.
Compradores necesitan tener más valor. It's not looking good, folks. We're back around entry now. 88 is the entry. So if you don't like it, you can manage it. You see fit. I'm keeping my stop the same. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Still above entry at this moment in time right now. But I'm keeping my stop the same. I'd be bummed if I stopped out and then it ripped. So happened to me earlier. I got stopped by 1 point. So I'm going to get stopped on this down at 264 if we fail this 15-minute high breakout. Or we're going to get a nice move up. So if we don't work out, then sorry in advance. If it does work out, heck yeah. Good trend entry. I don't love that previous 5-minute volume. It does not. It's not what we want to see. It's 5 minutes. This 1 minute chart's not looking great either. That first trade was crazy. That first trade literally weakened me up by 1 point. Even on this trade, we got from 88 up to 05, but not enough to trim. Especially lately, I've been taking my risk to reward very seriously. If I don't get over 1-to-1, I'm not going to trim. I don't just see green and take green.
My luckiest trade so far, riding it to either hits my stop or my first run.
Me too.
I'm still up positioned to be green regardless from that first trade or doing.
I don't like that we're making lower highs. You cut that out, Nazdaquita.
Gonna break above this 5-minute trend line we formed here.
I know. We're having trouble. Let's see. Nazdaquita's not being very nice to me.
310 is my first trend. Choke. 310.
Okay, there's red candle, but a little wick. There's hope. There's a little sign of life. Maybe. Unless we just sell it off immediately.
Pretty hit highs, eh? Cute. Follow the video. Wake up.
Is NVIDIA moving up?
Highs, eh?
I haven't looked at NVIDIA yet. I'm going to be about to be 0 for 2 today. I mean, technically 0 for 1.5. That first trade was some BS. But it's still technically a loser, so got to own it. Back at entry now. How's our 15-minute chart looking?
Better than the 5.
15-minute actually looks decent. Stop spool at 264. I mean, this is a trade that even if we get stopped out now or in 10 seconds or in 10 minutes, this is the trade I would take every time. That retest back down in the trend. Do we break to this downtrend? We should see a nice move up.
Like 8 points of profit.
Yep. I'd love to see, ideally, like 320s on this, but so I could have technically taken profit up there and been green on the day, but that's ego trading, guys. I don't want to trade ego. I want to trade my system. I don't care if I'm red. My hard stops are at 64, everybody. So you guys know. Or 263.75 to be exact. 264. We have not made a higher high in a minute. We're also made a lower low from the last two candles. This one's laying in the buyers and sellers of the overall market's fate. I'm either getting stopped out at 2 below that low 5-minute candle, or we're getting 310 plus. I don't like that we're consolidating below 300 and below 290 now. Oh, I hope we don't close this 5-minute week with higher volume. No, I wouldn't have gotten. I would have ended up green in the last trade. In the first trade, I would have for sure trimmed above 310. No doubt. I mean, I entered at 290. We went all the way up to, what was that? To 340. So it's a 50-point trade. Tell you guys on the 1 minute, this is, unless we can break 300, this is not what I want to see. We made lower highs in each of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1-minute candles. I'm keeping my stops the same, but it's not doing what I want to see right now. I fear our buyers are not going to be able to step in. I'm holding my position till my stop loss, though. $264, $263.75. Come on, step in, buyers. Grow some huevos. I want huevos rancheros. Compradores necesitan tener más valor. Grow some balls. So ChatGPT said it was. I said English to Spanish. Buyers need to grow some balls.
What did you say?
Compradores necesitan tener más valor.
Compradores necesitan tener más valor.
Yeah, tener más valor. Grow some balls.
You gotta say it with an accent.
If we don't get this push up, we're cooked, folks. I'm just going to tell y'all right now. If we don't continue that push up, that does not look good. I'll tell you that right now. I actually hate that we pushed up to like 303 and then we have sold that off. That is not a good sign. This is not a good sign in the 1 minute or the 5 minute right now. I'll tell you that right now. I'm keeping my stop the same, but not a good sign. We're trades at break even right now. This does not look good. I had so much faith for this last push up. If something's looking good, I'll tell you. And if it's not looking good, I'll keep it a buck too. We need to push above 310. I always wonder why the haters get really loud when we either A, lose a trade, or B, a trade's taken forever. When I win almost every day, why don't they? Like, why did they get silent? Where do they go? I'm always curious. Where do they go? What happens?
What is going on here with that? We got this trade. That's actually just froze here.
I know. It's lame.
It was 310 all over.
I was tempted to put my stop below like 82. I just will not let what happened last time happen again. So I'm just gonna keep my normal stop. You can follow your plan. If you don't like the action, I don't blame you. I'm just saying what I'm doing. I'd like to see the trend move up. The 15-minute looks a little more promising than the 5, but basically the trend entries, you're looking for a hold right here with stops below here. Come on. 310. Do it just one time for the one time. We're not asking for the world. See, I hate that we keep selling that off, bro. We touch up and we just immediately sell off about around 300. $300 is just got a whole wall of sellers there. Nasdaqita, ve a 310 y me quiarte toda la ropa y correre por todos lados. I just said if Nasdaq goes to 310, I'll strip all my clothes off and run around. I'll take one for the team, all right? Just give me 310. $10 points of profit, not enough for me to take anything off. I'd rather get stopped on the trade than do that. I have limit order at 311 to sell, to trim. We're just stuck. It's 300. Come on. If you're worried about the trade, guys, we're small green. You can manage how you see fit. I'm holding to my price target or getting stopped at my planned stop loss. That's my plan. I don't like that we're failing this 300 over and over again. It doesn't look good for continuation, but the first trade I took, I moved my stop too quick. I got pinged because of it. I'm not doing that on this one. I'd rather take my planned loss than move it up too early. Yep, up to you how you want to manage a trade. I tell you how I do it for educational purposes, but ultimately you got to do what's best for you. Makes things so much simpler when I have a set stop loss in. When you can tell how much you're going to lose. Trim at 1 point. I wouldn't recommend it. You might beat the spread. And shout out my boy Roth, who messaged me on IG that he's a month free of weed. Oh, guys, I can at least hold my head high. We got 15 points out of this trade if it doesn't end up stopping us out. I didn't get to take any off. I didn't take any profit on this, but we had the right idea that tried bouncing. Clear plan for if we go below 264, I'll get out. We're choosing patience and DOD. So right now, I could sell and be green for the day. But why would I do that? It's ego. I don't care if I'm green for the day. I want to follow my plan. I'd rather be red and follow my plan than green and deviate from it. That's the mindset shift I need you guys to have. A lot of times we want to be green for our ego. Oh, I want to be green so I can say I called it a winner and loser day. I want to be green so I can say that I'm green. I don't care about that. I care about following my plan. Once you're okay with being red, the green will come. We're green right now. Well, on the trade, I'm not realized I'm red. It's close. It's close. I want 310 plus. It's close. Come on. Come on, push it up. Come on. Push it up. Trimming right here, guys. Trimming right here, guys. 310 area. It only took 20 years. My stops, I'm going to put at 82. I am going to move my stops up now. Got my price target, my first one, 310. I'd like to see up to 320 plus. I'd like to see continuation to the upside now. Come on. There we go. This is what we wanted to see. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Vamonos. Vamonos, baby. Make sure you guys are trimmed. Let's go. Yes.
There we go.
Yes. 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 Please. Give me high of day, please.
Stop. Is that entry now?
Give me high of day, please.
You gonna make me money on the trade with me? We're good then?
Let's go. Yes, please redeem. Please redeem the high of day. Please. Please redeem the high of day. You know what I feel about the Bears right now? They tried to push us down. They tried to knock us down. You know how I feel about them? You know how I feel about them Bears? They tried to ruin our day with a red day. Hi, I'm a bear. Boom! 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 Oh, I think I got it. Boom! Not today, baby! Not today! Maybe tomorrow. But not today! No! Not allowed ever! That's how I feel about them Bears today. It's Team Bull up in here. Come on. We want more out of this. I put my stops up at entry just now, too. Stops are at entry. Let's see if we can move to high a day. Come on. We are playing for the high of day. We'd like to see us push up in continuation to the upside. Please. Please push me up to the upside for my continuation pattern. I'm begging. I'm begging for the continuation. But my stops are at entry just in case. And I'm going to be green on the day if I get stopped out. I will be small green, but I will be green. Hey, you know what? I'll take just over a 1-to-1 trade. Honestly, at this point, after that BS on the first trade, it's not gonna 88. Come on. I want to see high a day now. I want to see us push high a day. Stops and entry just in case. I will hold the rest till high a day. Probably. Nice job, Grizzly.
All right, everyone. I am done for the day.
Good job, Mr. Grizzly.
Appreciate it, man. Hopefully,
Nice job, Jdun. Shut up. Get out of here, bear. Not you. I was talking shit to my bear. Came in here trying to talk to me. After trying to hold us down. Trying to hold me back.
well,
No.
I seen a glimpse of you on the live, and it makes me realize I don't utilize my free will near enough. Judge probably crawling around like that when you live your gun.
I am. Sometimes they even go crazy. I got all the fun stuff. I even got I don't just got the mask. Oh no. If I need to, if I really want to get crazy, we got the gloves too. Rawr. Arr. I'm an angry bear.
You got the whole outfit or what?
I got a whole lot of different things. Got a lot going on this side.
All right, team. Well, I'll see you back in the morning. See if we can keep the win streak going this week, okay?
You out of here?
Oh yeah, I'm done, man. I made my money.
See you, bro.
See you.
Adios, Mr. Grizzly. All right, we want high a day. 1 7-point loser, 1 20+ point winner. We'll take it. Nothing, not gonna break the bank, but I am still in. My stops are 88 in my entry. So either decent day or small green day. Talk to me, chat. If you guys followed along with my system today, first trade, 7-point loss. Second trade, 20-point+ win. Stayed DOD, stayed patient. Let's get some good energy flowing after that. It was a little stressful morning. How much y'all making the base hits? I want to see the base hits in chat. Base hits. Ain't no way you're riding that trade. Talk to me. How did we do on that? 20+ points. We're still holding too, or I'm still holding. Stops are 88. How do we do in that trade? 44, 284, base hits, maybe 121, 300, 720, 40, 643, 236, 450. I love the $230 wins. 35, 96, 284, 720, 230. I love the small wins, baby. I love the small base hit wins. Let's go. 96, 330. You follow the system. First trade was a wash. Got us for like 6 or 7 points. If you held, then you got a really nice win. Second trade, set the stops. We're still moving up too. I want to see us move above 310. I'd love to see us break out of this and move towards like 320 to ideally like 360. That'd be great. I also love seeing you guys post your gains too. Come on. Pump it up. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up, baby. Come on. Give us a strong green candle, too. That would be elite. That would be elite to get a strong green candle up. Hey, 320, guys. Come on. We want higher. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all getting funded with code Jdun. I do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid out every day. Today, the deal today is with Alpha Futures. It's 20% off all accounts. I recommend the advanced or zero accounts. Zero accounts are 1 day pass. Come on, push us up, baby. I'm just reaping what I sow. Pray for peace and love. Hey, look at this, baby. Look at this push up. Where'd hater from earlier go? Where'd that guy go? Where'd they go? The haters are silent now, baby. Where they at? Rough. Get that dog in me out. Come on. We want to see push up. Beautiful A+ setup there, though. We'll take that all day, every day. Oh, no, 1 for 2 now. I got to change that. Good looks. Come on, baby. Almost 40 points here, guys. We just hit a high of 40 points. Oh, almost to the dollar. Push it up, baby. Let's go. Could have sworn I quote unquote never trade, huh? It's odd. Potential 2-bar? Potentially. We're moving up now. This is exactly what we wanted to see. I'd love to see high day on the rest. It took a while, but we got it. Every day.
I feel like this was an Asian trade.
I know. It took forever. If you guys made some money with me, all I ask is you guys, if you're on TikTok, you hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single day. And if you're on YouTube, all I ask is you hit subscribe and you press that bell icon and turn your notifications on. I live trade on Power Hour occasionally, and I also, on this channel, Gene will trade Asia with you if you like to trade in the afternoon or evening. Bro, to save my accounts. Let's go. So tomorrow morning, when the haters inevitably come in at first thing in the morning, I need y'all to have my back, all right? They always leave early. They literally always leave early. Damn, it's almost 10 a.m. I do have patience. It's DOD. This could be 2-bar, guys, but I'm obviously not going to call it any new entries. So you'd want to try it like 310. We'll stop below like 292. What a beautiful trade. $1.5R right now. So if you're waiting for 1.5R, now is the area to trim. I don't do 2 bars in the 15 minutes. Is this a valid 2-bar? Technically speaking, yes, it is. Slay Dung, can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah! Oh, whoops, that was not meant to be 15-minute. Whoops. That was my bad. Would this be a 2-bar? Guess that's my bad. I was in the 15. It's not great because of this wick. Order filled. That one was good. That's solid. Where did I possibly say 140-point move? I am getting good at that, huh? You better be watching. It's going to be my side job here soon is narrate and trade-evate. Look at that move, baby. The haters are silent. We silence them. We say, we will turn you to a lover choosing DOD. DOD, DOD, DOD. Bro comes in here and says, I'm Jay Moneyhead, baby. You can't call me Jay Dumb or Gay Dumb when I make y'all money. That's the deal. Which happens almost every day. We do this every day, baby. One system on voice. Much simpler that way. Clear stop losses, no confusion. It's great because Grizzly and I trade very similar to each other. You guys are winning DOD every day. I needed that win for leg day. I needed that momentum going into leg day. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to trade futures with me tomorrow, go get yourself an Alpha Futures account. They're 20% off using code Jdun. I like the zero accounts and the advanced. Gene just got his payouts from the zeros. They're 1 day pass with no activation fee. I recommend the 50K zero account. Yep, on Alpha Futures. Gene, what are some other positives about the zero account with Alpha? Cheap. 5 days to get paid out. Processed payouts in 12 hours. There's no activation fee, right? On the zeros, yep.
There's no minimum buffer to the payout.
Code JDUN with Alpha. Great firm. One of the few firms that I partner with and trust. Need some hype music. PA dead when we caught a 40-point win. A clear defined risk. That was Bala Shot Kala. It was Bala Shot Kala today. So fire. I'm happy with how today went. That trade took a while, but again, the strategy paid off. We got ended up being, if you're still in right now, again, you're up over 40 points. I think we can go higher. I think we can go into the 40s, and then potentially if we breach that, up into high a day. Best payout, either Tradeify or Alpha. All right, guys. 6 more minutes. I'm going to end the stream. Hopefully you guys all got some value today. Hopefully you made some money. And most importantly, hopefully you gain confidence in what you're doing. The hoodies from Killtech, their latest drop. Helping more and more of you guys get payouts. Trade smart, trade safe. We're growing every day. It means you must know what you're doing. Adrian, first day trying DOD. Let's go. Welcome to a lifelong of simpler, less stressful trading. Everyone on TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I hope I prove myself to you again today. I know we have new people every day, and I do my best every day to provide you guys value for those of you that come back every day and support me. And for anyone new, I hope to earn your follow in the top left corner. I hope to earn your trust and help you with your trading with DOD. You got lucky, bro. That's a good one. I love when I see that. Because whenever I lose, it's I suck. Whenever I win, it's I got lucky. I must get lucky a lot, guys. I get lucky almost every day. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? I get lucky every day. I must be Irish. I must be Irish with all my luck. Slap me and call me Sally. I'm lucky. I got so lucky on everything. Everything's just luck. Luck, 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 luck. I sure get lucky a lot, guys. Doing this live in front of like 20,000 plus people every day. I get really lucky. Is my trainer Sam Solik? No, my trainer's name is Jason. Yo, Jdun, I crossed my first payout on 5 accounts, Apex, February 18th. They still say pending. Submit a ticket, and if they don't get back to you, then you can send the ticket number to me, and I'll expedite it for you. It's a benefit of using code Jdun. Beautiful things. That accent is atrocious. Do you like that, or do you like that in my customer service accent? It is very atrocious, but we will be redeeming the winning trade for up to 40 points today, and I will tell you that I would really appreciate, I'd really, really, really appreciate if you guys would manage your risk and choose DOD and trade smart and trade safe and stay patient and stay focused, okay? My stops are still at entry on my remaining runner. I would like to see us go to High of Day. I will redeem all of the gift cards if we go to High of Day. Thank you so much. Come again. You guys didn't hit the like goal. We needed 100,000 on TikTok or 1,000 likes on YouTube for a free year inside Team Bowl. We didn't hit those goals, so we'll try again tomorrow. That's awesome. Frank Fell said, I think this is my best chance of you reading something like this. I joined the group 4 months ago with some option experience from a couple years ago. I got my first payout around 2 weeks ago, and I've cleaned up a lot in my life from joining. Thank you for what you provide. You're a goat. Let's go. Give that man some fire emojis. If you're in the live chat right now, give that man, hit that emoji on his deal. Yeah, cleaned up his life, chose DOD, got his first payout. Let's go. It's dope. Yeah, let's go, Frank. Shout out Frank, putting in the work, choosing DOD. It's dope. Hard. All right, y'all. I'm going to get off for the day. I've been on for 3 hours now. I appreciate y'all being a part of Team Bull. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side, okay? See you guys potentially Power Hour. Yeah, I'll probably be on for Power Hour today. Probably. God bless y'all. Peace. All right, everyone on TikTok and YouTube, if you're new here, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. If you come every day, I always appreciate you guys coming and rocking with me. And as always, one last thing. I want you guys to do something positive for yourself today. Choose DOD. Go to the gym. Eat a healthy meal. Call a loved one. Read 5 pages of a book. Do something that may be uncomfortable. Maybe you've been slacking on. Make today day one of doing that habit, of implementing that habit. That's your guys' DOD homework for the morning. Trade smart, trade safe. God bless, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, everybody.